It is not uncommon for an ordering portal to be assigned to a company. And what that allows you to do is allow employees or individuals from an organization or a company, and they can place orders and have them automatically assigned as customer contacts, and the orders themselves then assigned underneath the company. So when is this common? So let's just say we have a business or a school or whoever, and they want a bunch of individuals to be able to place orders, and then we just invoice the company for them. So if we come into administration, customer registration, we can set that up. First, though, we have to make the website password protected. We have to first turn it into an ordering portal. Otherwise, anybody could come here, place an order, and make somebody else pay for it. So we need to set up a generic password, which will take us into store configuration, customer options. So we'll override the default settings, and we will make it so that a customer must be logged in to view the site and use a generic password. So we're going to make the generic password t-shirts, and then we're going to come back into administration, customer registration, where we can then decide how we want new customers to be added. So we can, by default, allow them to be account holders. So this again is no profile had been set for this individual. So anybody could come to the site, they enter in that generic password, and when they place the order, they're automatically given terms. So they're automatically given like net 30, and they can run up a tab of $1,000 in this example. So you can automatically assign account terms to customers placing an order through the site, or what's more common is to assign them to a company profile. So we can select a company, and if this company has their terms, for example, set to net 30, we can then allow all the individuals to come to the site, place an order, and it will naturally be underneath the company, and thus we are invoicing the company for all those orders. We can generate one statement for all of the individual orders placed underneath the company or through the site. It works like a dream. It's a very powerful tool. Again, you have to have a company already set up within Business Hub, and whatever terms you have set there will be, again, accessible for the customer contacts underneath that company. So again, it works great. You have to first configure that generic password within store configuration, customer options. If you have any questions on how to set up an ordering portal in which the individuals are automatically assigned customer contacts underneath the company, come up here and you'll find great help articles that walk you how to do this, or come over to the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with client services, who is there to help you whenever you have questions or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.